Hello, sixth graders. How are you guys? I hope everything okay with you. As you know, as part of our return to ERJ, right now we are in asynchronous class. Oh, Mister, yes. Right now we are watching this video in ERJ, proceeding learning new things, trainings. A lot of things is happening right now here in ERJ. Just for you know, just because that I organized my room too, and we return to face to for not face to face, but our synchronous class, on live class, our next class. Okay, guys. But let's go on. Let's go on here. Let's learn a little bit about our subject today, our content. Great, guys. Let's go to find here the mental math. Let's work on this. Negative 14 plus 17. Negative 4 plus negative 19. 12 plus negative 15. And the last one is 10 plus 21 plus negative 17. What's the result? Here's the column. Let's solve this. Let's understand a little bit about this. The first one, negative 14 plus 17. Different signs. What I do, guys, we subtract and keep the sign for the biggest. Who's the farther from 0, away from 0. Let's solve it. Negative 14 plus 17. Okay, let's rewrite this like as 17 minus 14. And let's solve it. 17 minus 14, it is 3. Okay, it's 3. And the sign is positive. Okay, the biggest number, the most far away from 0 is 17. The biggest absolute value, as you can see here. And the sign is 3. It's the correct result. Here's the same thing. Negative 4 plus negative 19. Oh, they're the same sign, mister. Oh, we just add. As you know, I add 19 plus 4. We have 23, and keep the sign for the original numbers. The original numbers, the sign is negative. It is negative 23. Here is the correct. The next one's 12 plus negative 15. Okay, different signs, we subtract. 15 minus 12. It is 3. But right now, guys, here, who is the biggest? Who is has more units? As you can see, here's negative 15. Then you keep the sign negative 3. You have here the negative 3. And the last one, 10 plus 21 plus negative 17. Remember, guys, order of operations. Yeah, we work on this right now. 10 plus 21, it is 31. 31 plus negative 17. And after these, different signs we subtract. Okay, I understand. 31 minus 17. We can find this, it is 14. Great, 14. And who is the biggest? Who has more units? As you can see, it's 31. 31 is our number. Here we keep this positive. Great, guys. Here's our mental math. I hope you did it. Great. Let's keep on work on this. Okay. Next one here, as you can see. Let's do it. Here's our enter ticket. Our enter ticket today, as you can see here. How do I subtract numbers? How do I subtract integers for you? How do I subtract integers? I don't know yet. I don't know how to solve it. Let's manage this. Let's work on this a little bit. Okay, guys? Here is your YouTube. You can watch this video too after this lesson. Our enter ticket, subtracting integers, exercise, homework number 20. Guys, a little warm up. Let's work on this easily. 9 minus 2, it's 7. Great. And 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, it is 4. Great. Here in this side, let's work on this side here. 9 plus negative 2. Okay, different sign, and you're adding integers here. As you can see, just subtract for the biggest, for the least. And 9 minus 2, it is 7. And keep the sign for the original number, for the biggest number. The biggest is 9. I keep this 7. Interesting. Here, 12 and plus negative 8 are the same thing. 12 minus 8, it is 4. And you keep the sign for the biggest one, is 12. You keep the sign positive. Okay, it is 4. Great. Oh, mister, looks like a lot, yes? Aha, yeah, let's see number 3 here. Negative 7 and minus 1. Okay. I can use the counters here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 here. I adding this one. Negative 7 plus 1, it's negative 8. Great. Nice. And here, negative 7 plus negative 1. Oh, it's the same thing, mister. We can add this thing here. It's negative 8. Mister, I think I can understand a pattern here. Yes, I think you got it. This is the pattern, guys. Here's the pattern. Let's understand here. The key idea for this one. Subtracting an integer is equivalent to let me think. It's equivalent to adding it's what? It's opposite. We are adding its opposite. Great, guys. That's the idea for subtracting integers. Let's see here. Use a number lines to show that the two expressions below are equivalent. Let's understand this. Let me find 8. 8, where are you, 8? You are here. I move backwards. Remember, subtracting number line, we'll just move backwards. I will move backwards 3 to 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where I am right now, I am in 3. The final answer is 3. Great. And here, 8 plus negative 5. Guys, the same idea. Remember, we did a lot of this. Find the 8 first. Okay, 8, you are here. Right now, I need adding a negative number. I move backwards. Let's move backwards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Oh, it's the same thing, mister. I could find number 3. Yes, guys, as you can see, I can rewrite a subtraction integer as adding his opposite. I'm adding his opposite. I look for 8 minus 5. I can rewrite this as adding his opposite. Great. Good. Here, I can use a phrase to help me out all the time to remember this. Let's use this phrase here and let's start to work our first activity for this class. Use the phrase kiss to help rewrite subtraction problems addition. Mister, what does it mean kiss? Kiss, you are kissing us. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Let me explain to you how we do it. Kiss means K stands for keep. Keep it. Why, mister, I said to keep it? You keep the first number. Keep it. And S, the first S stands for switch. Switch what, mister? What I will switch when I do it? You will switch the signal. Okay? You will switch the first signal. Instead to write a negative, you will write an adding sign. Okay? An addition sign. Plus. And after S again, S for switch again. Oh, what I switch right now, mister? What I need to switch? You will switch the sign for the number. If it is a positive, will become negative, and vice versa. Great. Let's work a little bit. I will work, guys, right now just in odd. Okay, you will work on even exercise. Negative 1 minus 6. First thing, just rewrite, guys. I don't need to solve it. Just rewrite. Negative 1 plus negative 6. You understand? Just rewrite. Don't need to solve it. The next one, 5. These are 5 minus. Minus no. Rewrite. I need to switch here the first one, and I need to switch the second one. It's negative 8. It will become a positive 8. Instead of write positive 8 here like this, I just write 8. It's the same thing. Great. Nice. And the last one, 9. 2 minus negative 13. The same thing. Keep the first number, 2. Switch the sign to a positive. And switch again the sign here. Negative. Instead for you write positive 13. Instead to write positive 13, you just can write 13. It's the same thing. Great. Nice. Just it. You do work on this. Right now, pause the video and do with the other things. Great. Go ahead. Great, guys. You did it? No, not yet. I think you're not pausing the video, okay? I will stop this video and you watch the next one. Okay, do it, work on those exercises.